Moon-chan だよ。Good morning, night, hello! I'm Moon-chan. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
や、ゆ、よ。You can find や、ゆ、よ in や line here. Let's learn some words with や、ゆ、よ。や、安い。安い means cheap. Repeat after me. 安い。これをください。Could I have this? はい、1万円です。It cost 10,000 yen. 高い。It's expensive. それじゃあ、10円です。Then 10 yen. 安い。It's cheap. ゆっくり。ゆっくり means slowly. Repeat after me. ゆっくり。家でゆっくりする。Relax at home. 横。横 means side. Repeat after me. 横。机の上。on the desk. 机の下。under the desk. 机の横。next to the desk.
Let's write hiragana.
や。や。ゆ。よ。よ。や。ゆ。よ。Today we got yasai, vegetable.
You did great today. またね。
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.